Does this got Care Bears? Any Care Bears in it?
No, it's just a game.
I got Miss Piggy. Hi. How you doing? I'm on TV. You know, I was talking to this girl one day. She said she wants to date with you. Would you like to turn her down for a date? No. I bet he would, folks. Yeah, she'd like to turn this beautiful girl down for a date. Please. And it is, Brittany. Brittany. No. Yeah. Can I have a hug? Can I have a kiss? Wow. Kiss me.
Megan, how old are you?
I'm 4.
Is today your birthday? Yeah. Okay.
A kitty cat! A pound furry. Who gave this to me?
It's from Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
A beautiful necklace. What's from this?
That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
It's a beautiful car. It's a... Bigger.
She's a speed reader, isn't she?
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
There's a card here.
There's no... Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, in case it comes to like to take your vegetable.
Megan,
Sit down. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Open Kyle's now. Okay. You're gonna put that to Oh, yeah! Open the box. Look at it. Sweet secret. Here. Could I show her how it goes? Let me show you how it goes.
Might not work.
A baby. A baby! And it goes in here. It goes in this crib. Okay, here I go. Mickey and Minnie perfume. This is my Uncle Leah.
Yeah, it's another one just like it.
And Megan, this is a diaper for your doll. I'll see who it is.
Howdy!
Howdy, Tom. Howdy, Tom.
Oh, just in time.
What?
Megan's birthday.
Oh!
My birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday!
A Barbie.
Skip the Barbie's little.
would you like a cup of coffee, Tom?
No thanks.
Meg, do you want anyone to put this together?
Kyle, not you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Megan. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish and blow out the candles.
And blow the cake.
Oh, you got every one of them.
Oh, good job.
Look at that. First breath, too.
Wow, 4.
Andrew,
The gray hair's coming.
you say hi? No? Okay.
Dad, say something.
Need help with that, Megan?
Something
No, not that. Say something else.
Here, open the gun.
else.
And
Yeah, trying to.
Where?
When are you going to fall down? When do you fall down? No, don't fall down.
Whoa!
That's what I was looking for.
This is Kyle. July 2nd, 1988. Lying hallway, partly in the bathroom, where he apparently fell asleep. Kyle? Kyle!
That box. Where's this from?
Mommy and Daddy.
What's that box? There's something neat about this car too, Kyle.
Come on, blow them things out.
Hurry
Get up
up,
there.
or the cakes get
Jump up
melt.
there, Kyle, and just go.
The ice cream's gonna melt. Nathan!
Oh, hi, boy.
Nathan, without your mouth.
This is your son's birthday. Come on, smile.
Hello here from the Conforto home. We want to welcome everybody out in Culver's Land and they're watching our family today, and we hope that you have an enjoyable time with us.
What? Sorry. Megan, I'm taking your picture. I'm taking your picture. I'm taking your picture.
Careful, John. Be careful. Kristen, come on down. Megan. Show me what you can do.
How's that?
Pretty good.
I'm just having a little problem breathing.
Well, that's something you should get under control.
I get everything custom made. All I know, people will wait.
Hello. How are you?
I
I have my glasses on, it's in my contacts, so it makes me look more glamorous. You want to look at the magazine?
Mr. Conforto. Oh, good. We're catching him as he really is.
Hi. Mike, Becky, how you doing?
You have something memorable to say?
you see this film, you should be about 60, 70 years old.
Feel good on the inside. It's sort of.
And just think, I'm looking pretty good right now.
Thanks, Grandma and Grandpa.
You're welcome.
A violin, music.
Can you say thank you to Laura?
Thank you. A doll!
How do you know it's a doll?
Gerber. She can tell.
How can she know this?
Thank you, Laura.
Wowee! Look it! This is what I wanted. I got a Milky Way. I got another Reese's Pieces.
Well, that's one for you and one for me now.
Nuh-uh. I hope you didn't give any of my candy
Oh, don't worry. I'll
from my bag.
Well, I guess that's it for Christmas, guys.
Nuh-uh. A bear! Thank you, Kyle!
Is it a new car?
No.
Is it a tie?
Yes. Look at Daddy. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Thanks, Mom and Dad.